so excited and happy to be participating in a challenge hosted by Elena of Elena Jenkins DIY and Michelle of Michelle Cozy Home. We are to take something that we are inspired by and try to remake it in our own way. And I took about 3 different ones and combined them. So we'll see how that goes. Both ladies are so talented. We've participated in many of the same challenges and collabs together, and I'm always excited to see what these ladies have made. I always love seeing what they come up with. Both of their channels will be listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. I highly recommend you check it out. I'm sure there's going to be so much talent there. I hope you'll enjoy my video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Comment, tell me what you think. It all helps my channel to grow. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So, without further ado, let's get started. I took 2 pint jars and painted one in a brown mixed with orange, and the other I just used straight orange. And it took about 2 coats to cover all of it. And the top rim I painted with a green. I had let it set overnight before giving the second coat. The orange was an acrylic paint, and I do not recommend that on glass because it wants to peel off. But I made the best of it that I could. And while I was waiting for the second coat to dry, I took this long, tall vase and I just dropped pumpkins inside. I've had this wood slice for a while. A friend had given it to me, and I took flowers and just cut them apart to use for decoration. And now that my jars are dry, I just took some jute twine and tied around the rim. And then I took burlap ribbon and went around the middle. And I had some wooden stickers, and I glued them on top of the burlap. And now it's time to decorate. I just laid everything out, spread the picks apart so that they would fill up my jars, and just have fun seeing what I come up with. Here are my inspirations. They all came from Pinterest, and I really like how mine turned out. And there it is. I'm so happy with it. I hope you enjoyed it. I really like where I love to do florals. If you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, bye.